Hello class ninth. Today I am going to start with this chapter number 13. In previous video we studied about the structure of skin and epidermis, layer of epidermis. Now today I am going to teach you about the dermis. As you know it, dermis is the inner thick layer of connective tissues made up of elastic fiber. It is a inner thick layer. It is a inner thick layer. Okay, and it is a layer of connective tissue made up of elastic fiber. At certain places, the dermis in our skin is very elastic fiber. At the certain places, the dermis of our skin is very thick. कहाँ पे होती है thick? As on the palm and soles, and very thin at the other places, as in the eyelids. Very thick कहाँ पे होगी? On palms, on the soles, palms and soles, and thin कहाँ पे होती है? That is on the eyelids, in the eyelids. Okay, the dermis contains several other structures like blood vessels. Okay, and nerve fibers, sensory organ, hair follicle, sweat gland. Okay, leather obtained from the hide of animal is actually the dermis part of the skin. Leather part from the hides of animal is actually the part of the dermis part of the skin. The outer region of the dermis, which lies next to the epidermis into the numerous small processes, is called papillae. What is papillae? The outer region of the dermis, which lies next to the epidermis, is raised into the numerous small processes, that is called papillae, and which contain the blood capillaries and nerve ending. The nerve ending and sense organs here are concerned with sensation, touch and pain. Okay, sensory organs की तरह ये वर्क करती है स्किन ड्यू टू द नर्व एंडिंग्स. The sharp senses of touch in the skin of fingertips enable to blind to read the Braille characters. These are some more sense receptors in the deep part which are concerned with the sensation of the pressure, pain, heat, cold, etc. Now next one is derivatives. Derivatives कल बताए थे ना, hair, nails, sebaceous gland, mammary gland, sweat gland are the derivatives of the skin. Special derivatives of the human skin include, first one is hair, second nails, third one sebaceous gland, fourth one sweat gland, fifth one mammary gland. Now today we start with this first one, that is hair. Derivatives of skin, first one is hair. डर्मिस क्या है? डर्मिस सेंसरी ऑर्गन क्यों है? क्योंकि इसमें नर्व एंडिंग, ब्लड वेसल सब आती हैं, तो टच, पेन सब इसमें फील होता है. दैट्स व्हाई स्किन इज अ वेरी सेंसिटिव ऑर्गन. Okay, first one is hair. Hair consists of three parts. First derivative of the skin, that is hair. First three part. First one is hair shaft. Hair shaft क्या था? This one. This is hair ना. ये hair जो स्किन के बाहर का पार्ट होता है, ये स्किन के अंदर का पार्ट है, स्किन के बाहर का पार्ट, दिस वन जो बाहर निकल रहता है, दैट इज हेयर शाफ्ट. Hair shaft is a part which projects from the skin and may extend slightly below the surface of the epidermis. In normal situation, they lie obliquely on the skin. Okay, skin से बाहर जो part निकला रहता है, that is called hair shaft. Second is hair root. Hair root is the part embedded within the dermis. This one, the lowest part, which one is embedded in the dermis, is called hair root. The lowest part of the hair root is expanded to form a hair bulb. Third one is hair bulb. Hair bulb. This expanded part. This expanded part is called hair bulb and contains the projection of the dermis called hair papillae, which with the capillaries blood supply. The hair follicle. Hair follicle is a structure encloses the root hair and hair root, and it is composed of an epithelial and a connective tissue sheath. Composed of epithelial and connective tissue sheath. A hair bulb and hair follicle together are responsible for the growth and elongation of the hair. The growth of hair occurs by the addition of the cell at the base, which soon die. The color of the hair is due to the varying quantities of the pigment melanin. Hair का color भी किस पर depend करता है? That is on melanin. The grey or silver color of the hair is due to the minute air spaces formed in the hair when the pigment is lost. The grey or silver color of the hair is due to the minute air spaces formed in the hair when the pigment is lost. Everyone has sometimes experienced goose flash. What is this goose flash? जब हम कभी बहुत ज़्यादा डर जाते हैं या नर्वस की कंडीशन में होते हैं या विंटर्स में होते हैं और ड्यूरिंग सम इमोशंस हमारे हाथ के जो हेयर्स हैं दैट इज माइन्यूट हेयर्स वो क्या हो जाते हैं ऑब्लिकली पूरा ऐसे स्ट्रेट खड़े हो जाते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड एयर लिफ्टेड. दैट इज कॉल्ड पाइलो इरेक्शन. दैट इज कॉल्ड पाइलो इरेक्शन और ऑल्सो कॉल्ड दिस कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड गूस फ्लैश. Anyone has sometimes experienced goose flash during winter or during some emotions. In this, the hair is lifted, called piloerection, and the surface of the skin presents somewhat contracted and wrinkled appearance. This is also called erector, also called arrector muscles. Which muscle? Erector or arrector muscle of the hair, which runs obliquely between the hair follicle and the outer part of the dermis. The contraction of the muscle at the end pulls the hair to a somewhat vertical position, and at the other end depresses the epidermis. Okay, the hair in human being continuously lost and regrown. The duration of scalp hair is 2 to 5 years. 2 to 5 years hair scalp year. ठीक है, duration of the scalp hair 2 to 5 years, but eyebrows and eyelashes 2 to 3 to 5 months. 2 to 3 to 5 months. Hairs from the different part of the body, head, chest, palm print, beard, nose, slow stubble reference. These are helpful to forensic detection and investigation. Hair also provide a sensation of touch because nerve fiber extending up to their base. Clear? Now, nails. Nails is a hardened keratinous plate. Next one is nail. First one is here. Now write down a short note on goose flash. Goose flash. Okay. उस पे लिखना है आपको शॉर्ट नोट goose flash. This is your homework. And second is piloerection. Piloerection. Write short note on goose flash and piloerection. Now second one is nail. This one is first one. Second one is nail. Nail is a hardened keratinous plate. It is a hardened keratinous plate like a structure which grown as a dead cell. From the nail root which lies below the skin at the base. First one is contain 3 parts. First one is plate. It is a hard outer part of the nail. It is made up of dead keratinized cell. Second one is bed. BED, bed. It's not the sleeping blood. That is known as root. Bed is called here as a root. It lies below the nail plate. Below the nail plate. Okay. Now next, third one is matrix. Matrix is just lie below the skin surface at the base of the nail. It usually visible as the whitish half moon at the base of the nail. See here in my nails, this one, this structure at the base of this here. See this half moon shape. Suppose this is nails और यहाँ पे ऐसा half moon shape का whitish structure दिखाई देता है. That is called matrix. That is called matrix. It is a half moon at the base of the nail. It produces new cell which on maturation push out the older cell towards the tip of the nail and causes growth of the nail. हमारा nail क्या होता है, continuously बढ़ता रहता है. तो ये क्या करता है, आगे की तरफ move करता है और आगे की वो क्या हो जाती है cells is older cell towards the tip of the nail and causes the growth of the nail. Now next one is sebaceous gland. Third part. First one is here. Second is first one is here, second nail, and third one is sebaceous gland. Sebaceous gland. So these branch gland usually open into a hair follicle. Through sometimes they even open directly the outside. They give out an oily secretion. They give out an, हमारे स्किन क्या लगती है, ऑयली लगती है ना, स्किन से ऑयल सिक्रीट होता रहता है. So it is called oily secretion, also called sebum. Sebum, which makes the hair and the outer surface of the skin oily and waterproof. Why? What is the function of the sebum? Oil and waterproof. Oil क्या होता है, वाटर रेजिस्टेंट होता है, वाटरप्रूफ बनाता है हमारे स्किन को. और दूसरा क्या करता है, बैक्टीरियाज वगैरह को किल करता है, ट्रैप करके किल करता है. टू कीप द एपिडर्मिस सपल and prevent loss of water by evaporation in cold and dry weather, the skin may be become rough and leave a powdery surface when stretched. It is due to reduced excretion of oil from the sebaceous gland. In hot and humid weather, the skin become extra oily due to the increased secretion of the sebum. 3 problems related to sebaceous gland. 3 problems related to sebaceous gland. First one is pimples. Second, acne. And third one is blackhead. Blackhead. What is your homework? To write down in your notebook 3 problems related to this sebaceous gland, that is pimples, acne and blackhead, and write down the structure of nail, and write down the short note on nail also, not a structure, just only short note, and do this progress check in your notebook. Match the column. Here is air spaces present in a hair. Mammary gland, rudimentary in males, it is not present in males. Goose flowers is here. Air spaces in grey hair. ओके क्योंकि वहाँ पे भी मेलेनिन पिगमेंट होता है, लेकिन एयर स्पेसेस की वजह से वहाँ पे जब खाली जगह होती है तो वहाँ पे मेलेनिन पिगमेंट नहीं होगा, तो वहाँ पे तो ये ग्रेइश अपीयरेंस देता है. तो एयर स्पेसेस विद ग्रे हेयर, मेमरी ग्लैंड, rudimentary in males, goose flash hair, and traces of urea and numerous sweat pores. That is traces of urea, sweat, more numerous sweat pores, and oily secretion by sebaceous gland, and races in of hot countries. Okay. How do hairs provide the sensation of touch? Because it supplies with blood vessels and nerves. How is the outer surface of the skin made waterproof? Due to the secretion of the sebum. Okay. Write down. Do this progress check in your notebook.